ನಮಾಮಿ ಲಲಿತಾಂ ನಿತ್ಯಾಮಹ ತ್ರಿಪುರ ಸುಂದರಿಂ. 1800 ವರ್ಷಗಳಷ್ಟು ಇತಿಹಾಸವುಳ್ಳಂಥ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯ ಕೇಂದ್ರವಾದ ಆದಿಚುಂಚನಗಿರಿ ಮಹಾಸಂಸ್ಥಾನದ 71ನೇ ಜಗದ್ಗುರುಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಗಂಗಾಧರನಾಥ್ ಮಹಾಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಯವರ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರು ಭೈರವೈಕ್ಯ ಮಂದಿರದ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ, ಭಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ, ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿಜಿಯವರನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಆದರಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇದೇ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಡಿನ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಮಗ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ಕೆಂಪುಕೋಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಧ್ವಜವನ್ನು ಹಾರಿಸಿದ ಮಾಜಿ ಪ್ರಧಾನಿಗಳಾದಂಥ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ದೇವೇಗೌಡರ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇದೆ. ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ HD Kumaraswamy is present, Shobha Karandaji and Chellurai Swami as a district minister and agriculture minister is present. The spiritual guide Swami Paramatmanandaji, who has been teaching Vedanta in its real perspective across the world, visiting top world-class universities across the world, and he has been introducing the essence and the importance of our culture. And all the dignitaries who are present here, ಮತ್ತೋರ್ವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಠದ ಸದ್ಭಕ್ತರಾದಂಥ ವಿರೋಧ ಪಕ್ಷದ ನಾಯಕರು ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶ್ರೀ R. ಅಶೋಕ್ರವರ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೌರವಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. It gives me an immense pleasure to see our Narendra Modi ji is present to inaugurate our most respected and devoted beloved Pujya Guruji's Kal Bhairavaikya Mandir. As you all know very well, Adi-Chunchanagiri Mahasansthan Math is inundated by the spiritual vibration of Guru Gorakshnath and thousands of Nath yogis. Narendra Modi ji, millions of devotees' aspiration is realized and satisfied today because of your presence. Modi ji ಅವರ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಿಂದ ಕೋಟ್ಯಾಂತರ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಕ್ತರ ಅಭಿಪ್ಸೆ ನೆರವೇರಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. Same Adi-Chunchanagiri Mahasansthan Math has become inspiration to Nadaprabhu Kempegowda, who founded Bangalore. 2022ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ when Nadaprabhu Kempegowda's 108 feet tall statue was installed and inaugurated by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he had expressed his appreciation, the great vision Kempegowda did have. Also, our Honorable Prime Minister had mentioned during that time, ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದರು, for today's rulers, Kempegowda's principles and governing principles are exemplary. Even to the day, Kempegowda being the devotee of Adi-Chunchanagiri Mahasansthan Math, he developed the country, developed the state, and he was the one who introduced modern skills to the society. In the same lineage, 1,800 years unbroken lineage was being continued. Our Honorable Devegowda ji belongs to the same sect and same lineage. ಇದೇ ಒಂದು ಪರಂಪರೆಗೆ ಸೇರಿದಂಥವರು ದೇವೇಗೌಡರವರು. ಈ ಒಂದು ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ದಿವ್ಯ ಪರಂಪರೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾದ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿಜಿಯವರು ಬಂದದ್ದು ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. Because of his vision, great vision, he introduced and launched and initiated so many projects for upliftment and development of our country. Because of the paucity of the time, I can't mention all those things, though our Paramatmanji has mentioned several things. One thing I would like to mention over here, though it is not possible to mention all. One concept, because most of the guys who are present here, either of Gen Z or who have taken in the era of the Zen Alpha. One principle for which he has given which has driven the engine of economy, spirituality, and culture in our country, Startup India. Way back in 2016, when Narendra Modi ji has initiated Startup India concept, understanding the need of that, hardly 400 startups were there in our country. ಕೇವಲ 400 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಅಪ್ಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದವು. When Modi ji has given that concept of, initiated the concept of Startup India 2016, as we have been celebrating decennial program, after 10 years, do you know, from 400 startups, now we have raised more than 2 lakh startups. This shows, ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಇಕಾನಮಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. Unicorns, even to the day, it may be quite strange to listen. In the year 2016, when that was initiated and launched, not even one unicorn was there in the year 2016. Now you can see more than 125 unicorns. It is very immense. It gives me an immense pleasure to say that more than 45% of unicorns are from Karnataka. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಲೈಕ್ವೈಸ್ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರುತಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ. At this point of time, understanding the positive the time, I must congratulate, I must greet you all for having made your presence at this point of time when our Honorable Prime Minister has come here to inaugurate the occasion. As I have mentioned, my Pujya Guruji has contributed so much to the society. As our Kumar Swami has mentioned, Pujya Guruji has enumerated, has initiated 9 limbs of services, Anna, Akshara, Arogya, and so on and so forth. After Pujya Guruji's demise, after he has left the body and became one and union with the Kalabhairaveshwara, Pujya Guruji's dream, even today, it is being realized through the millions of devotees. ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಗುರುಜಿಯವರು ದೇಹವನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಂಥ ಕೋಟ್ಯಾಂತರ ಭಕ್ತರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಅವರು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನೆರೆದಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಟುಡೇ ಅವರ್ ಹಾನರಬಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ has inaugurated structure and temple complex of Pujya Guruji's Mandir. Whole complex, temple complex is built with the igneous rocks. Not even a single bar of reinforcement is used. Though temple physical structure is built by igneous rocks, Pujya Guruji's vision and his principles have been igniting billions and billions of people. Today, as a result, more than 1,75,000 students are taking education to realize Pujya Guruji's vision. ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇಂತಹದೊಂದು ದಿವ್ಯ ಭವ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿಜಿಯವರನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಿ, ತಮ್ಮ ಅನಾರೋಗ್ಯದ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ದೇವೇಗೌಡರವರು ಸಮುದಾಯದ ಹಿರಿಯರು, ನಾಡಿನ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಬಂದದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ, ದ ರೀಸನ್ ವೈ ವಿ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿಜಿ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಫೌಂಡ್ ವಿಸ್ಡಮ್. Because of his profound wisdom, universal renunciation, his compassion towards the poor people, and the self-respect towards our country, he has made our country quite great. It's all because of that. Our millions of our devotees wanted him to come to our Sri Kshetra for last 10 years. It's because of that, to satisfy and to realize the desire of all our devotees, he has come once again wholeheartedly welcoming to our Sri Kshetra Adi Chunchanagiri and introducing to all our devotees. I conclude my words beseeching Lord Kalabhairaveshwara blessings upon him. Jai Shri Gurudev.